This video is about boosting engagement and saving time and money with digital alumni cards using the case study of Southern Oregon University. According to Mike Beagle, Director of Alumni Relations, it's refreshing for students to download their card on their iPhone or Android, making the Alumni Association feel cutting edge. The challenge for Southern Oregon University's small alumni team was devoting too much time to processing memberships. The solution involved revamping their program, implementing digital membership cards, and eliminating membership dues. As a result, SOU saw Alumni Association membership levels increase tenfold, saving staff time and money while driving engagement. Southern Oregon University is a public university in Ashland, Oregon. It serves 6,000 students and 45,000 alumni. The university was founded in 1872. The traditional alumni membership process before Cuseum required SOU to spend many resources on processing and mailing physical cards. Additionally, the $35 annual membership fee was considered a barrier to joining. Mike Beagle had to process payments and mail cards, often sending replacements for lost or damaged ones. In 2018, SOU revamped its alumni program by removing dues, making it free and opt-in, and rolling out Cuseum's digital membership cards. This aimed to simplify processes and boost engagement. SOU used their CRM to generate cards at scale and promoted them through social media and letters. Cuseum's support ensured a simple launch. The digital membership cards have been a huge success for SOU, leading to a tenfold increase in alumni membership numbers. This shift eliminated the need to deal with envelopes, printing cards, and checking addresses. The team saved significant time and resources. The benefits include saving time and money on postage, physical cards, and labor. The digital cards also support SOU's mission for sustainability. They are user-friendly for all ages, as even an 80-year-old alum is adept at using them. Digital membership cards are now critical to SOU's digital engagement strategy. SOU incentivizes alumni membership through members-only social media challenges and virtual events. According to Mike Beagle, the best part is helping alums stay connected virtually during the pandemic. Cuseum's digital membership card solution helps universities streamline membership, reduce costs, and drive engagement. To learn more or to schedule a free digital membership demo, please contact us at hello@cuseum.com.